Today's video. This is B43 to Lefferts Gardens Prospect Park Station. A fare is required to ride. This stop is Buck Street and Manhattan Avenue. Next stop, Manhattan Avenue and Clay Street. This stop is Manhattan Avenue and Clay Street. Next stop, Manhattan Avenue and Freeman Street. Transfers available to B32 and B62. This stop is Manhattan Avenue and Freeman Street. Next stop, Manhattan Avenue and India Street. This stop is Manhattan Avenue and India Street. Next stop, Manhattan Avenue and Greenpoint Avenue. Transfers available to the G train and B24. This stop is Manhattan Avenue and Greenpoint Avenue. Next stop, Manhattan Avenue and Collier Street. This stop is Manhattan Avenue and Collier Street. Next stop, Manhattan Avenue and Messer Rowley Avenue. This stop is Manhattan Avenue and Messer Rowley Avenue. Next stop, Manhattan Avenue and Norman Avenue. This stop is Manhattan Avenue and Norman Avenue. Next stop, Manhattan Avenue and Nassau Avenue. Transfer available to B48. This stop is Manhattan Avenue and Nassau Avenue. Next stop, Manhattan Avenue and Driggs Avenue. This stop is Manhattan Avenue and Driggs Avenue. Next stop, Graham Avenue and Engert Avenue. This stop is Graham Avenue and Engert Avenue. Next stop, Graham Avenue and Meeker Avenue. This stop is Graham Avenue and Meeker Avenue. Next stop, Graham Avenue and Richardson Street. This stop is Graham Avenue and Richardson Street. Next stop, Graham Avenue and Jackson Street. This stop is Graham Avenue and Jackson Street. Next stop, Graham Avenue and Metropolitan Avenue. Transfers available to the L train and B24. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Graham Avenue and Metropolitan Avenue. Next stop, Graham Avenue and Ainsley Street. This stop is Graham Avenue and Ainsley Street. Next stop, Graham Avenue and Grand Street. Transfers available to Q54 and Q59. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Graham Avenue and Grand Street. Next stop, Graham Avenue and Shoal Street. Transfer available to B60. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Graham Avenue and Shoal Street. Next stop, Graham Avenue and Johnson Avenue. Transfer available to B60. This stop is Graham Avenue and Johnson Avenue. Next stop, Graham Avenue and Ziegel Street. This stop is Graham Avenue and Ziegel Street. Next stop, Graham Avenue and Cook Street. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Graham Avenue and Cook Street. Next stop, Thornton Street and Throop Avenue. Transfers available to the J&M trains, B15, B46, B47 and B57. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Thornton Street and Throop Avenue. Next stop, Tompkins Avenue and Flushing Avenue. Transfer available to B57. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Tompkins Avenue and Flushing Avenue. Next stop, Tompkins Avenue and Ellery Street. This stop is Tompkins Avenue and Ellery Street. Next stop, Tompkins Avenue and Martin Luther King Jr. Place. This stop is Tompkins Avenue and Martin Luther King Jr. Place. Next stop, Tompkins Avenue and Myrtle Avenue. Transfer available to B54. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Tompkins Avenue and Myrtle Avenue. Next stop, Tompkins Avenue and Willoughby Avenue. This stop is Tompkins Avenue and Willoughby Avenue. Next stop, Tompkins Avenue and DeKalb Avenue. Transfer available to B38. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Tompkins Avenue and DeKalb Avenue. Next stop, Tompkins Avenue and Lafayette Avenue. Transfer available to B38. This stop is Tompkins Avenue and Lafayette Avenue. Next stop, Tompkins Avenue and Green Avenue. This stop is Tompkins Avenue and Green Avenue. Next stop, Tompkins Avenue and Gates Avenue. Transfer available to B52. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Tompkins Avenue and Gates Avenue. Next stop, Tompkins Avenue and Putnam Avenue. This stop is Tompkins Avenue and Putnam Avenue. Next stop, Tompkins Avenue and Halsey Street. Transfer available to B26. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Tompkins Avenue and Halsey Street. Next stop, Tompkins Avenue and Fulton Street. Transfers available to the C train and B25. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Tompkins Avenue and Fulton Street. Next stop, Brooklyn Avenue and Fulton Street. Transfer available to B25. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Brooklyn Avenue and Fulton Street. Next stop, Brooklyn Avenue and Atlantic Avenue. This stop is Brooklyn Avenue and Atlantic Avenue. Next stop, Brooklyn Avenue and Bergen Street. Transfer available to B65. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Brooklyn Avenue and Bergen Street. Next stop, Brooklyn Avenue and Park Place. This stop is Brooklyn Avenue and Park Place. Next stop, Brooklyn Avenue and St. John's Place. Transfer available to B45. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Brooklyn Avenue and St. John's Place. Next stop, Brooklyn Avenue and Eastern Parkway. Transfer available to the 3 train. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Brooklyn Avenue and Eastern Parkway. Next stop, Brooklyn Avenue and Union Street. This stop is Brooklyn Avenue and Union Street. Next stop, Brooklyn Avenue and Carroll Street. This stop is Brooklyn Avenue and Carroll Street. Next stop, Brooklyn Avenue and Montgomery Street. This stop is Brooklyn Avenue and Montgomery Street. Next stop, Empire Boulevard and Brooklyn Avenue. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Empire Boulevard and Brooklyn Avenue. Next stop, Empire Boulevard and New York Avenue. Transfer available to B44. This stop is Empire Boulevard and New York Avenue. Next stop, Empire Boulevard and Nostrand Avenue. Transfers available to the 2 and 5 trains, B44 and B44 SBS. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Empire Boulevard and Nostrand Avenue. Next stop, Empire Boulevard and Rogers Avenue. Transfers available to B44 SBS and B49. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Empire Boulevard and Rogers Avenue. Next stop, Empire Boulevard and Bedford Avenue. Transfers available to B49 and B49 Limited. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Empire Boulevard and Bedford Avenue. Next stop, Washington Avenue and Empire Boulevard. Transfer available to B48. This stop is Washington Avenue and Empire Boulevard. Next stop, Lincoln Road and Flatbush Avenue. Transfers available to the B, Q and S trains, B16, B41, B41 Limited and B48. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Lincoln Road and Flatbush Avenue. This is B43 to LaFare Gardens Prospect Park Station. A fare is required to ride.